Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off video autoplay in the App Store on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then we go down and tap on App Store. Next, go down and tap on Video Autoplay. Now in here you can choose on or off. So say autoplay will temporarily turn off if you have low battery or a slow internet connection. You can also choose only autoplay when you are connected to Wi-Fi. And after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now when you go to the App Store, if there is a video, then it will automatically play a preview. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.